everyone, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I am back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I make my carrot butter. Yes, so this is one of my secrets to faster hair growth. Yes, I'm going to be showing you today one of my secrets to a faster hair growth. So carrot is one thing that I love and cherish so much. My children knows that. So I love carrot and I enjoy eating it because of the crunchiness and because of the vitamins that I'm going to be getting from it. So today I'm going to show you how to make carrot butter. Before this video, we want to look into the benefits of this carrot butter, what it does to our hair. It is very important for us to know what it does to our hair. It adds moisture to the hair. It helps keep the hair healthy and shiny. It stimulates hair growth. It's a natural source of vitamin A and E. So guys, after peeling off the unwanted part from the carrot, next thing I will just go ahead and begin to rinse all the dirt away. By the way, I'd like to say thank you to all my wonderful subscribers. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you're returning subscribers, yes, if you're watching me for the first time, please go on and hit that subscribe button, and please do not forget to hit the bell beside it. It's very important. So as you can see in this video, I'm trying to grate it with my grater just to get it really tiny, and then I will just go on and do the whole of it, and once I am satisfied, I will move on to the next stage. So I'm going to be using my extra virgin coconut oil. Make sure you're getting extra virgin coconut oil. I'm going to be pouring this in my pot. I'll leave the oil to come to a boil. As you can see, the oil is in its solid state, so it's trying to melt off, and then I'll begin to pour in my carrot. So here I'm just trying to give the carrot and the oil a good stir. I will stir it and then check on it from time to time, and then I'll cover it up again. I think I left this on for like 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes, I'll go on and check again. So as you can see here, you can see that the color of the carrot is no longer as bright as it used to be. Most of the color is been transferred into the oil, and this is how you know that it is, ready. So now it is time for me to get those goodies away, my vitamins and those beautiful nutrients. So I'm just going to be straining it with my strainer, and I'll make sure I get all the oil. You can see that oil, so orangey, so beautiful. That is what I want. I got to a stage I couldn't do this anymore. It was just as if the oil were still there hanging around, and I just decided to use a cloth to get all the oil away, and I just began to squeeze and squeeze. So as you can see, I'm trying to get as much oil as I can from this. So this is what I've got. I've got the liquidy at the bottom and the oil at the top. I'm going to be mixing this together, but first I kept this in the fridge, and then it came to its solid state, and now I'm using my hand blender to blend this all up, as you can see here in this video, and I'm just going to keep blending until it comes to a creamy, fluffy consistency. Now I'm transferring this into a bag. This is because I want it to be nice and smooth when transferring it into my jar. I applied this mixture on my hair. My hair felt so soft instantly. You need to try this out, guys. It's really lovely. Your hair will love it, trust me. So this is my creamy, fluffy carrot butter. Great for the skin, great for the hair. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you've tried this before, and be sure to give this a try and let me know what you feel about it. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye. This is my 7 months natural hair object, and I am so happy that I'm getting the kind of look that I want. So this is my second time